Hello, and today I'm going to show you how you can bring your miniature LEGO creations to life with this awesome mini motorized railway system. This super compact design adds movement to your micro scale LEGO trains, allowing you to create realistic model railways and toy train sets. You can use this system to motorize any type of train, from classic steam engines to modern high-speed locomotives. There are so many ways which you can customize this design, and to demonstrate this, I've built 3 different model railways, each with a unique set of obstacles and track layouts. The first one is this Alpine themed layout, which includes a tiny steam train complete with an engine, coal tender, and passenger wagon. This moves around the track in a continuous loop, and what's really cool is it even fits through this tunnel built into the side of the mountain, which looks especially cool as it emerges out from the other end. All of this is built onto a compact 8x16 stud base, and as you can see, I've had to curve the track slightly inwards towards the middle to give the train enough clearance to pass through the tunnel. I thought this design would also work well with a desert theme, so I've also made a Wild West style layout which replaces the pine trees for cactuses and swaps the mountain for a vibrant orange canyon. Just like the Alpine layout, you can operate the train by turning the handle manually, or if you want, you can even motorize it by attaching a medium motor on the side to really take it to the next level. This design is great for these more traditional style model railways, but I also wanted to see if I could use this for other types of trains, such as an underground subway system. This metro is perfect for micro-scale cities, and I've even built up a small skyline on top, complete with its own miniature buildings and micro-scale cars. To create the illusion of a long subway system, I've added a wall along the back that disguises the tube train as it exits and enters the station. I've also added some extra archways at the end, which gives you a really cool view as if you're actually in the tunnels yourself. In order to achieve such a low-level train track, I've built the mechanism upside down, so that it sits as close to the ground as possible, which leaves just enough height to add a station platform with a realistic yellow warning line to remind passengers to mind the gap. For my third model railway design, I wanted to have a go at designing a much more advanced shape track to really test the limits of this system. And to navigate all of these twists and turns, I've designed a longer, more modern style passenger train made up of lots of individual segments which allow it to snake around the corners. This looks really cool from all different angles, where you can really see how flexible this train actually is. I decided to decorate this with a rural countryside theme, which fits perfectly with the flat landscape and rolling green hills. I've even added a couple of buildings, including some micro-scale houses, a small farm, and a tiny train station where the passenger train can stop at. So now let's take a look at what you'll need to build your own mini model railway. And if you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel as it really helps me out. There are 2 main components to my model railway system: the treadlink chain that the train sits on, and the large Technic gears that pull it across the layout. Here's what the Alpine layout looks like underneath all of the scenery, and in this case I've used 2 40-tooth gears along with 37 treadlink pieces to create a small oval loop with a shallow curve in the middle where the tunnel goes. The train itself is attached using these special chain-link bar pieces from the LEGO Pac-Man set, which slots into the modified 1x1 bricks on the train wheels. The basic mechanism is a very simple construction, so I won't go into detail on how to build it, but if I disassemble it, you can see how it's made. Something like this is a great starting point to build your own working model railways, and you can decorate it with your own choice of scenery and expand on the design however you want. All of the railways use a variation of this basic mechanism, so there's lots of ways you can customize it. You could make the middle island more compact by driving the mechanism from the outside, like I've done with the underground subway. Or you could wrap the chain link treads around a bunch of curved bricks to create a more complex train track layout. It's also really easy to customize with different train designs. For example, you could have a long cargo train carrying things like a boxcar, a pile of wooden logs, and a liquids drum. Or maybe a modern Japanese-style bullet train made out of these Nexo-Knights shoulder pieces. Or how about an old-fashioned circus train, complete with a giraffe and an elephant sticking out of the top. You could even use this mechanism to create a moving tram system, like this San Francisco-style cable car. There are so many possibilities, and hopefully now you've got some inspiration for your own motorized model railway designs. Please let me know which train design is your favourite one in the comments. Give this video a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for even more awesome LEGO creations. And check out my full playlist for even more functional LEGO mechanisms. I'll see you guys next time, and thanks for watching.